Hello and welcome to the video. It's quite an exciting one, this one. Now this is the MT12. You'll have seen this on my channel lots if you watch me regularly. This is actually a ground-based radio, so you can control things using the throttle and the brake. You have the steering and you have some other controls and switches and doohickeys on it too. However, one of the things it didn't have when it first came out was the ability to control things by actually moving the joystick. The cool thing is that is now available. The gyro unit is something that you can plug in here at the bottom, just like you would any of the other units. There's actually 3 additional pieces that can go in this spot. There is a 4-way joystick, there's 2 additional switches, and now there's a gyro unit. And the gyro unit isn't expensive, it's less than $10 or £10. When it's installed in here, then it allows you to do some pretty funky stuff. It basically turns this into a joystick. So not only can you use it to fly around with cars and boats and trucks, but potentially you could use it as a one-handed controller for things like fixed wing as well, for planes. Not with a rudder, sadly, because it's only 2-axis, so you can tilt it from side to side. That would make the plane bank, and you can also tilt it forwards and backwards. Maximum of 45 degrees in each orientation. Now I've been looking at creating something like that for quite a while. I was originally looking at using the head tracker project. Remember, there was a little board and you could stick it on the side of your goggles. It's a DIY system. I still use them here today, but the idea was to have some kind of grip with one of those in the middle, and rather it being a head tracker, you could use it as a control. However, this means for those of you that may be looking for a single controller, maybe you have a problem with hands or dexterity, or some other challenge with the grip for a traditional radio, this might be an option for you, because now it means that you can fly a wing. Unfortunately, it's not 3-axis, so you don't have that rudder ability as well, but it does mean that you could quite easily fly around with something like this. And in fact, I've already seen videos of people using it that way. So I just wanted to draw this to your attention. I do occasionally get messages from people who do have some disability in one or both of their hands, and were looking for a single controller that they could use one-handed. And this looks like it could fit the bill. Again, shame it's not 3-axis, but this now means that the MT12 with the gyro could be used for something like head tracking, as I'm showing here, but it could also be used to fly aircraft too. Only a couple of bits of pro tips from the playing that I've done here. First and foremost is that at the moment, to select the S3 or S4 that you have to set it up as, which are the 2 gyro orientations, when you're in the menus with the input, you can't select it in the menu as of HTX 2.10.1. You just have to move the radio and it will appear. So that's one thing. And the second thing is, I've heard of a couple of units being shipped where the LED's installed the wrong way around. So rather than being on green all the time, it's on red. One of the ones that I had in here was like that. Don't panic if that's the way. It's still working. Just press and hold the button for a couple of seconds. You'll see it flash the other color, and that is the kind of calibration for it. Don't forget to go through the full calibration routine once you've installed it, so that it knows exactly how everything works. But RadioMaster, thumbs up. I wonder if you could take this concept and create something specific for flying aircraft or one-handed, with maybe some kind of slider for the throttle on your thumb, or maybe something else. But for those of you that have been asking me about, is there something I can use that's one-handed? Well, I guess for the foreseeable future, the answer is going to be this. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.